Okay, 117, which is equivalent to that. So let's just work through them and see, right? X minus 6 squared, that's x minus 6 times x minus 6. That's x squared minus 12x plus 36, and then I have the plus 4. So that's x squared minus 12x plus 40, which is the same. So A. It doesn't say that there's only one answer, right? So let's just try them all, right? Okay, B. X minus 6 squared, again, is x squared minus 12x plus 36 plus 28. Clearly not, right? That's x squared minus 12x plus 64, so that's not. C is x minus 12 squared, so that's x squared minus 24x plus 144 plus 4. That's x squared minus 24x plus 148. That's not the same. And D is x minus 12 squared. We just did that. X squared minus 24x plus 144. Okay, so that's not. So it's only A. Remember, when they write x minus 6 squared, that's x minus 6 times x minus 6, right? You have to do it that way. People think that, x minus 6 squared, they can go x squared minus 36 or plus 36. I don't even know what they do. You cannot do that. That's incorrect. It's x minus 6 times x minus 6. Okay, so the answer to 117 is A.